ॐ पूर्णादर्वी परापत सुपूर्णा पुनरापत वस्नेव विक्रीणावः ईशं मूर्जं शतक्रतो स्वाहा. Namaste to all. This is Yajurveda, Yajurved Tritiyo Adhyaya, third chapter, mantra number 49. Extremely wonderful, beautiful mantra. My Acharya always used to say that Paramatma says in Vedas that the Yajna, the Agnihotra, is like a business. Baniya ke vyapar. So I was searching that Veda mantra for a long time. Now I got it today. So where Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati also beautifully explains that the Ahuti, what we put in the Agnihotra, it comes back just like a person is investing money in a business. The Baniya, the Marwadi, or the businessman, the Gujarati, we call as Gujarati or Marwadi, right? The business community, they invest money. That is the Vaishya community. They invest money in a business and they get returns also. They get returns and also they get profit. Returns. They invest the money also comes back along with the profit. The same thing is also mentioned in this mantra, the same concept. Purna Dharvi. Purna Dharvi means Ahuti. Pake hue home karne yogya padarth. This is very, very important. Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati has explained time and again that the Ahuti is what we put. Do not use substandard ghee. Do not use substandard matters vastu in the Agnihotra. Do not use old chawal, old rice, old dal, etc. We must use highest quality, purest ghee possible, as much as we can afford. That we must use. And also lakadi, the lakadi what we use, samida what we use must be dry and also must be free of any insects, etc. So that is called as Dharvi. Pake hue home karne yogya padarth. So then what happens? Then usse ahuti purna. So wo ahuti dravyon se purna hui ahuti. So when we use highest quality samagri and ghee and other dravya in the Agnihotra, the result will be very, very beautiful. What will be the result? The result will be parapata supurna punarapata. Home hue padarthon ke anshon. So the moment we put ahuti in the Agnihotra, the padarth, you see, I had put ghee and samagri, etc. here. But ghee and samagri is not visible. Everything is converted into sukshma padarth. And then ansh. So home hue padarthon ke anshon ko upar prapt karti. So the whatever is put in the homakunda, it will go into the atmosphere, it will go into the sky. And supurna, because you have put purna dravya, you have put very pure dravya, then it will come back again punarapata. फिर अच्छे प्रकार पृथ्वी में उत्तम जल रस को प्राप्त कराती है. So whatever you put in Agnihotra does not go into waste. It will cause timely rains. This is told by Paramatma. This is the concept of Paramatma. None other than the creator of the universe. So that is why we must never leave Agnihotra. Because whatever we put as ahuti, it will come back to us. Jal ke roop mein, ras ke roop mein, it will come back to us. And Paramatma is Shatakrato, asankhya karma karne wala. Asankhya, dekhiye, asankhya karma va prajna wale. Jagadishwar is not, telling something superstitious here. Jagadishwar, if you see my today morning video, Ritam cha Satyam. Paramatma creates the laws of the universe. And one of the law of the universe is when you do Agnihotra, timely rains will happen. When we do Agnihotra, Sukh will come as a barish, as a rain. The Paramatma will shower his Sukh on us as rains. So, आपकी कृपा से हम यज्ञ कराने और करने वाले विद्वान होता और यजमान दोनों ईशम ऊर्जम वसनेव विक्रीणावहै. वसनैव मीन्स वैश्यों के समान, बिजनेस कम्युनिटी के समान. ईशम, ईशेतोर जेत्वा we say, right? ईशम means अन्न, ऊर्जम means पराक्रम. So with the, when we do Agnihotra with the blessings of Paramatma, then whatever we put as ahuti will come back to us. Just like a businessman who invests money, Vaishya means business community person who invests money, and he gets back its returns, he gets back his profit, and further what he does, suppose he invests 1 lakh and he gets 1,20,000 profit, again he will invest 1 lakh, or again he will invest 1,10,000, or again he will take money from bank and invest 10 lakhs, so you will get 20 lakhs as a return. Like that, this happens when we this is actually Agnihotra is the investment for our Jivatma, for our spiritual progress. We must never ignore Agnihotra at any point of time. The Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati writes, इस मंत्र में उपमा अलंकार है. There is a उपमा example, जैसा business community के example. जब मनुष्य लोग सुगंध आदि पदार्थ अग्नि में हवन करते हैं, सुगंध पदार्थ, we must not use substandard quality, we must use highest quality as much possible. हवन करते हैं, तब वे ऊपर जाकर वायु वृष्टि जल को शुद्ध करते हुए पृथ्वी को आते हैं, जिससे यव आदि औषधि शुद्ध होकर सुख और पराक्रम के देने वाली होती है. जिससे what happen when we do Agnihotra, the food grains what we get in the bhumi will also become shuddha and parakrama yukta hota hai. We will not have any rog in our body. When everybody, when the entire village, entire community, entire state, entire city, entire country, when everybody starts doing Agnihotra, then the food grains will be of the highest quality, and that will give us parakram and nirog. There won't be any rog in this universe. Nobody will die early death. Nobody will get any diseases which cannot be cured. Normal, cold fever might come, that's it. Major diseases, lung cancer, stomach cancer, all those things will never come. So then Paramatma says, जैसे कोई वैश्य लोग रुपया आदि को दे लेकर अनेक प्रकार के अन्न आदि पदार्थों को खरीदते व बेचते हैं, वैसे सब हम लोग भी अग्नि में शुद्ध द्रव्यों को छोड़कर वर्षा व अनेक सुखों को खरीदते हैं. सेम थिंग, इट्स अ सेम लेन देन. अग्निहोत्र, होत्र मीन्स लेना देना. अग्नि में लेना देना is अग्निहोत्र. We are putting dena. What are we giving? We are giving ahutis, and what do we get? We get sukh, we get shanti, we get nirokta, we get arogya, we get parakram, we get bal, we get anna, we get shuddhata, we get peace of mind. Everything we will get back. So this is the baniya ka vyapar. My acharya used to say always, remember Agnihotra yajna is baniya ka vyapar. Whatever you invest in Agnihotra will come back to you as multifold, and that money will give you sukh shanti. Not only money, arogyata, everything will come back to us. This is the concept of Agnihotra in the Vedas. Tritiyo Adhyaya, mantra sankhya 49. Extremely important Veda mantra. We must never forget Agnihotra. That is the order of Paramatma also for getting sukh. The benefit of Agnihotra is coming to us only, not to anybody else. It is not going anywhere. We were doing Agnihotra, Paramatma will shower his rains on us. Paramatma will shower his blessings on us. Paramatma will shower his Sukh Shanti on us. That is guaranteed by Paramatma in the Vedas. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om, Om, Om.